how to get dual apps on iPhone. So if you want to get dual apps on your iPhone, then what you need to do is, like for example, I have Instagram application already installed on my device. So if I want to have a dual app for Instagram, then what I need to do is open up Safari. So first you need to open up your Safari. After opening your Safari, you need to go and search for Instagram.com on your Safari. Once you've searched, you will have this kind of interface, right? So once you're here, you need to go with the three dots, which will be in the bottom right, and then tap on share. Once you tap on share, here you need to just simply swipe up, and then you will find an option of add to home screen. Just tap on add to home screen, and then enter the name, which is Instagram 2. I'll go with 2, and then go with add, which will be in the top right, and that's it. As you can see that the application has been added. I already have an application right here, and then this is the Instagram 2, which we've just added. That's how you can get dual apps on your iPhone, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.